Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of down-to-earth organic all-purpose fertilizer. Make sure to watch till the end of the video to know our final verdict on whether this fertilizer is worth it. Down-to-earth organic all-purpose fertilizer overview. The down-to-earth organic fertilizer is ideal for all transplants, namely herbs, flowers, vegetables, and container plants. It is regulated by the California Department of Food and Agriculture, CDFA, and listed by the Organic Materials Review Institute, OMRI, for use on vegetable gardens, trees, shrubs, row acreage, containers, and houseplants. The fertilizer enhances soil fertility by creating room for microorganisms to exist and thrive. It breaks down slowly, providing a constant supply of nutrients to the plants for the whole season. This slow-release feature ensures plants feed without overloading them with too much fertilizer. What we liked: it does not burn plants. It is regulated. It is organic. What we didn't like: it has a strong smell. It comes in granular form, which may make precise application challenging. Features: nutrient-rich formula. The fertilizer comes in a 25-pound natural bag full of essential nutrients to the soil that enhance plant health and growth. It has a nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium mixture ratio of 4 to 6 to 2, which improves crop production. Its ingredients include rock phosphate, fishbone meal, humates, kelp meal, blood meal, feather meal, langbonite, and green sand. Versatility. The down-to-earth organic all-purpose fertilizer is safe for any plant, from vegetables to houseplants, even when applied in slightly higher amounts. Its nutrient profile is ideal for both fruit-bearing and leafy green plants. Affordability. The fertilizer offers value for money as you can cover a large amount of ground without breaking the bank. It's an easy choice for anyone looking to grow healthy plants without overspending. Who is the down-to-earth organic all-purpose fertilizer best suited for? The down-to-earth organic all-purpose fertilizer is best suited for beginners or experienced gardeners interested in all-rounded organic solutions for plant growth. Verdict: should you get the down-to-earth organic all-purpose fertilizer? The down-to-earth organic all-purpose fertilizer has a strong smell that can be irritating during application. Nonetheless, it is ideal for all transplants and provides quality results. With its environmentally friendly ingredients, balanced nutrient profile, and safe application, it offers both short-term and long-term benefits you can rely on. Thanks for watching.